You cold?
No, I'm just nervous.
You nervous?
Yeah.
I made you nervous, have I? Don't normally make people nervous, Kieran. Don't be nervous. OK, so you're writing a novel.
How do you know my name?
Of course I know your name. Isn't that nice? OK, so you're two chapters in, yeah? And what can I do to help?
Well, I have only been able to progress this far
Right.
through the aid of Homework Club.
Right, OK.
Which has taken a considerable amount of time.
I can imagine it is, yeah.
I would like to request one period every 1 or 2 weeks
Right.
to progress on my novel.
You thought hard about this, haven't you?
I've already spoken about it.
I can hear that you've really thought hard about it, which is fantastic. Well done. Who's your English teacher?
Miss King.
Miss King. Have you spoken to Miss King about your novel?
Yes.
And what did she say?
She said that she would help me publish it.
Oh, fantastic. OK. Kieran, right now, you're year 7. You need to focus on being in school, OK? And your novel can take a little bit longer, but right now we need to make sure you're settled and you're doing well, OK? Because we're expecting A's and A stars from 7P1 in their GCSEs. That's what we're expecting.
No pressure.
No pressure, OK? I would be really pleased to see any of it when you've done it, OK? So when you've got anything printed off, make sure I get a copy, OK?
Yep.
Well, I shall look forward to reading it then.
Ciao.
Good stuff. Kieran, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Lovely to see you, Kieran, all right? See you soon. Bye-bye.